Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today we're going to do a little pressure washing job down at my parents' house. We're going to clean their driveway for them, and we're going to show you the tools that we use to do that. And all these tools are available on Amazon, and we'll leave links down below at the end of the video. But first of all, let's get started. We're going to take you on a little tour of this driveway first of all and show you what it looks like beforehand. So stay tuned. Okay guys, here's the driveway. It's a very large driveway, as you can see down here near the garage and everything. But you can actually see that there is a black coating all over everything. That's just dirt and probably mildew and whatever else over the period of years. It's been many years, I believe, since Dad's got out here and cleaned this thing. But we're gonna use a surface cleaner today. Is what we're going to use. We actually bought one of these here a while back, and we've already cleaned a couple driveways for some people, and they turned out lovely. And we want to make this thing look like brand new today. So I'm just going to take you down here and just let you really take a good look at this. Probably going to take a few pictures of it as well, because when we get done, you're not going to believe it. It's going to look amazing. All right, guys, well, we're going to get started now, okay? Okay, folks, I want to show you some of the products that we'll be using today right quick. Now, our pressure washer is actually just a residential pressure washer, 2,300 PSI, I believe, 6 horsepower Briggs motor, okay? But years ago, the pump actually is an external pump, and it actually locked up and blew up and leaked oil all over the place. I went and bought a new pump. Now, I believe my pump is actually a commercial pump now, and it's been working for about 10 years now. It does really good. And if I remember correctly, the guy told me that maximum on it is 2,500 PSI. We actually have it tweaked down just a little bit. We don't have it at full pressure. But that's the pressure washer that we'll be using today. But here's the cool stuff that I bought recently off of Amazon that we'll be using. Bring the camera down here. This is our surface cleaner made by Janz. That's J-A-N-Z. This unit here costs $100. It does have its own sealed bearing right here, because I noticed from watching some videos that some guys bought some that didn't have a bearing and they would grease it up every time. So far so good on our bearing. I figure when it goes bad, I might actually disassemble it and get the little part number off the bearing and probably just order myself some bearings if it ends up going bad. I think that's probably about the only thing that can really go bad with it, other than maybe the jets getting clogged up or something. So this thing spins at a rapid pace. There's a jet on either end squirting out the pressurized water, and it just does a wonderful job of cleaning. And I like the one that's on wheels. It makes it a little easier to maneuver around. So that's our unit. You get that for $100. You also get a couple extensions that goes with it. And then we bought a new wand right here as well off of Amazon. I'll leave the link below, because the other one that I have is just a twist adjustable, and I wanted to get one where I could hook this thing up with the 1/4 inch quick connect. So right here, as you can see, we have a quick connect down here, and this is the wand that we got, and it comes with all these different fittings here. This is the soft wash tip, good for cleaning off the surface after you have pressure wash to get any debris that may be where you don't need it. And we have multiple tips here. Hang on, I have to put my glasses on so I can see what they are. We have a 0 degree tip, that's pretty much just a straight shot, a 15 degree, a 25 degree, and a 40 degree tip, okay? We'll probably be using the 40 degree today to clean the edges of the driveway and the sidewalk, and probably the soft wash. These are probably the only two that we'll actually use today. And like I said, I got this set up off of Amazon as well. I'm not even sure of the brand of it, but it seems to be working really good right now. And I actually when I bought all this stuff, I bought a new 50-foot hose as well. I'll put a link down as well. I think for all this stuff, I paid like 185 bucks. And I'll put all these links right down below in case you guys want to purchase the same setup. So let's get started. Let's make this driveway awesome again, guys. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you quickly hooking this up. We got our water bled out of our hose here. Pressure washer still off. We're going to plug it in to our wand, and then we're going to hook the wand up, quick connect, right up to the surface cleaner, and we are ready to go. We're going to go and fire this thing up, and I pull the trigger. You can see how even with just regular water pressure, it's already starting to try to spin the little thing down there that I was showing you. So we're going to fire this thing up and get it going. Hey guys, I want to talk to you right quick. Let me turn the pressure down just a second. I want to show you something. You're going to watch as I do this. I'm going to get as close to the edge as possible. I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to come back in that same spot, and then I'm going to overlap and go up and come back, okay? That's the pattern that you'll see me doing. So each area of the driveway will get 2 passes. And don't be in a big hurry. Just go nice and slow and let the tool do the job, okay? And then when we get done with a 10 foot by 10 foot section, we'll actually go across it in the opposite direction at a little bit quicker speed, okay? Just to take care of any streaking that this might cause, okay? So just watch me. Do it like this, take your time, do it slow, and it will come out looking great.